Hello, yeah, in this video, I want to talk about fitting GE models using the R package geepack. All right. First, let's go to the R documentation for this package. Okay, so this is the online documentation for the package geepack. You can see it's for fitting generalized estimating equations. And it has solver for parameters in mean, scale, and correlation structure through mean link, scale link, and correlation link. Can also handle cluster categorical responses. Okay, so you can see this original references for more details about development of this package. Okay. Here is the list of data sets and functions in this package. The GEGLM is the main function for model fitting. And there's a QIC function for quasi information criteria, and we can use that for model selection. And there's also a OR GE. This is for GE models for ordinal responses. Okay, so let's go to the main function, the GEEGLM. So fitting generalized estimation equations, GEE, and assess the GEGLM function fits the generalized estimating equation using the GESE.fit function of the geepack package for doing the actual computation. And geeglm has a syntax similar to GLM and returns an object similar to a GLM object. So basically, if you're familiar with the syntax GLM, it's very similar here. But for repeated measures or multi-level data, you have to specify a correlation structure. Okay. So this is the function with different arguments. So here are the explanation of the arguments. You have formula, family, data, weights. So you can put the weights on there. And you can do GE analysis for a subset of the original data set. I have some issue with this NA action because it says no action is taken. Indeed, GEGLM only works on complete data. Okay. But as we know, GE models tolerate missing at random missing data. Okay, so not sure why this is the case, but I did not go further into this issue. Okay, just point it out. Another important component is the correlation structure. So here it has independence, exchangeable, AR1, unstructured, and user defined. Okay, so very similar to the general purpose GE models in, for example, ProgGen mode in SAS. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to R. Okay, I'm going to load in the package, set a random seed, create a data set, 5 time points, and then create a continuous variable, create a categorical variable, and then calculate the probability of success and create a binary outcome. So this is a longitudinal data set with a binary outcome. And this is the first few rows, yeah, like that. And to fit the GE model remember the syntax is very similar to GLM, but you do have ID equal to ID and family equal to binomial, and then correlation structure equal to AR1, exchangeable, and unstructured. And you can see this is the printout of the outcome, and it does have a coefficient table, and it has p-values, and also it marked the significant effect with star system. So you can draw inferences on the effect directly from the output. Similarly, you get GEE exchangeable and GEE unstructured. Okay, and you can use the QIC function to compute the QIC values, and I changed the default for the digits. I want to show the results with 4 decimal points, and then I print out the QIC values. So you can see they are not very different, but you can see the QIC for the model with the AR1 correlate structure has the smallest QIC. Okay. And also it has the QICU and quasi-likely CIC parameters and QICC. Okay. So there are several indices you want to use. QIC is often used for model selection. And also remember, this model selection applies for the functional forms of the independent variables in the model, but also different correlation structures. Okay. Okay, so you've got another R package for fitting GE models. I'll continue to search for other R packages and make more videos on GE models. Thank you.